to now, vacuuming was quite often a dusty affair, especially for Tom. But now, dust takes a bath. The revolution in vacuum cleaning, Karcher's new vac with water filter, the Aqua Select. Let's see what Tom thinks. Dusty exhaust air, loss of suction power because the bag is full, dirty hands when changing dust bags, never again. The Aqua Select has a completely new filter system, a water bath filter. We don't need dust bags anymore. Let's try it out. Before you start vacuuming, fill the tank with water from the tap. The water is used in place of the dust bag. Great! That is really good. In the Aqua Select, the dust-laden air first passes through a water bath, which retains most of the dirt. Fluff, coarse dirt, sand. The dust takes a bath. The auxiliary filter takes care of the fine dust. Finally, the HEPA filter retains very fine dust, pollen, mites, and germs. And the exhaust filter removes the carbon dust from the motor. That's a great boon, and not only for allergy sufferers, I'm sure. A retention rate of 99.99% makes the exhaust air really clean. That's very impressive. And, as the air doesn't have to pass through a filter bag, full suction power is maintained all the time. Suction can be varied to suit the type of floor. This means even our deep pile woolen rug can be cleaned quite easily. And of course, the Aqua Select has accessories to suit every cleaning job. When you change from a carpeted to a smooth floor, you just switch the floor tool over. When you have finished vacuum cleaning, all the dirt is poured away with the water. No dust is created. Constant high suction, dust-free exhaust air, and clean hands. Even Tom is convinced. Apart from that, we'll never again have to buy a dust bag. That's really a thing of the past now. Thanks to our new water filter vac, the Aqua Select water filter vac from Karcher.